$12. The Ultra Boost 99 minus the 50 minus the reward came down to 39. Wow, that's massive discount. Alright, so looks like we're gonna have additional 50% off. Look at this one, but excluded from current promotion. We got some Dawn issue, $100. Looks like a very sharp. Ooh, nice. No additional discount though. We got Dawn issue 2, the Crayola, $70 with the additional 50%. Not bad for those, but they only have smaller sizes. Yep, it's for kids though. Nice box. And also this one's not bad. Superstar Junior, $80 included in the discount or 50%. So that should be $40. Adidas Ninja. Look at the colorway in those. Ooh, $130, and they have additional 50. This one's not bad as well. And Ninja Night Jogger, $69.97 with the additional 50%. This Adelaide Comfort is not bad for the price. $30. The Pharrell Williams Premier, they are on $99.99, but they're not included in the discount. We got an EQT Gazelle, $89.99, including 50. We got some Visa High RF, $39.97. Really? That's not bad. With additional 50%, not bad for that one. Some Superstar Pure, nice color, kind of gum bottom, $79.97, additional 50. This Superstar is excluded, but this one is included, 50%, $79.99. That should be $40. They should be somewhere 100. Superstar Arizona, triple white, Multics, $40. I thought this one is one of the Dragon Ball Z, but it looks like it's not. We got a Ninja Night Jogger, $89.99, additional 50%. More Ninja Jogger. This one is on $99 though. This one is Ninja Z Torsion, $89.97. Like the purple. And then the $140. We got here the ZX2K Boost. What card? So we are here in the Ultra Boost section. Retail is $180. We are on $119 now. Excluded in the discount. Ultra Boost DNA, same price, $119. Yeah. We got the Ultra Boost 21. Excluded on the discount. $180. Ultra Boost DNA, $119 as well. We got the Platinum Ultra Boost 20, $119. More Ultra Boost 21, excluding the current promotion. Same goes on that one, no additional discount. Well, how about the Ultra Sea-Dries and Women's, and they are on $99.95, additional 50%. Alright, so this is what we got from the Adidas outlets. Let's take them out. Alright, so starting off, we got a Superstar Pure $79.99 with the additional 50% off. I kind of like the colorway though. It's kind of river rock or something, darker green with a gum bottom, and the price not bad as well. $79.99 with additional 50%. You can't beat that one. And then let's go check on the Ultra Boost Sea Dry Women's. This one is $99.95 with the additional 50%. Last time I picked up one of this one in men's sizes. I almost all sold of them right now because the weather is getting wet and getting cold, so it's a good time, good thing, pick them up, and it's a good time to resell them now. The weather is on our side. Okay, next one. This one is another Superstar, $79, but I focuses only on the size 10 that they only have in the store, and I wish they don't have this one. And it could be good if it's in the bag, but hey, it's a Superstar. And we got it for the sale was $79.99 and then additional 50%. Okay, and then this one, ZX2K Boost, $119.97. Okay, and here we go. I like the design on this one. It comes with a lot of different things, especially here on the Boost. I wish they could done this more on the other Boost that they designed this one, because if you're using them and running, it's got dirty that quick. Here in the back it's kind of different, but on the midsole is mostly Boost. Man, yeah, it looks like a covering on this part, and technically maybe it's supposed to be a lot of Boost inside. Nice. And 119 additional 50% off. There we go. And lastly, pick up one pair Adidas Comfort for the foot. Price was $30 and then additional 50% that came down to $15. All of this had a 50% off, but then I got additional 20% on top of the 50% because of my voucher. It says here $30 and then 50% off. It came down to 15, additional 20% off down to $12. The Ultra Boost, 99 minus the 50 minus the reward, came down to 39. Wow, that's massive discount. And then the 2K Boost from 119, 50% off, $47.99, additional 23 came down to $47.99. The Superstar, 79 minus the 32, 50% off, additional 20% off, came down to $31.99. And lastly, the Superstar again, minus 50, 32 minus 16, another of the 20% came down to $31.99. So that is the additional discount that I got on this transaction on the Adidas outlet. Alright, so with that said, if you like this video on the outlet, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one. Peace, man. Bye.